Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Java Tech Stories. So today we are going to look at how to remove extra spaces. So this is a very Java basic code example. You will learn string class and then a bit of regular expression, and the tool which I'm going to use is IntelliJ. So now let's jump straight away to the demo. So now we have opened IntelliJ. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a Java class, which is, let's name it remove extra spaces. And the next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a shortcut PSVM, which basically creates the templated code of main. So now let's create our text. So let's call it str. And now just for example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create lots of spaces here. So let me call it as welcome to, and also I'm going to add new line characters. Welcome to Java Tech. Then, so let's say I'm going to have a new line again and stories, right? So let's just go ahead and print our string and see what it actually looks like. So I'm just going to run the code. So now it has given us the input welcome to, you can see here is a new line. There are some spaces and again there is a new line. Now what I'm going to do is here is where I'm going to remove the extra character. So let's just call it as result. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a method replace all. And here is where I'm going to pass a regex. So this is a regular expression which basically removes the white space characters. And now I'm going to say that you need to replace these white space character with a just a small space. So now let's say in mine I have with between Java and Tech, let's say I create a lot of spaces, and here again a lot of spaces are there, and you also have new line characters. So this regular expression also will take into consideration new line characters as well. So now let's say uh, I'll just say after removing white space characters, and now let's look at the result, right? So now let me run the code. So here you can see that it has basically removed the white space character. So as you can see here, it has clearly cleaned up our string here. So you can see a lot of spaces were there, and also you have new line characters. So it has removed all that and it has created this result string. So hope this helped you. In this Java doc, it basically contains a lot of information about various classes. So to answer our question, so let's go to the string class. So now, I'm opening up the string class, and now I'm going to look for the method replace all. Yes. So we have actually come to this method. So basically what it does is it gives a very beautiful explanation of the entire method. It replaces the substring. So you can actually read it in your free time. But the reason I brought this is as we are all Java programmers and core Java programmers, let's inculcate some basic habit to actually look at the Java doc. It helps us in our day-to-day programming life. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching.